Ooh-wee! This is the Body Glove Arc, which is a cover for the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. It's got a rubber coating for an enhanced grip. Yes, I like that. So I guess it's plastic with the rubber coating. It's got a slim design. It's lightweight, without bulk. Supports wireless charging. That's good. Let's just get into it and have a look and see. I haven't bought a body glove for a Samsung device yet. I have had a body glove device for an iPhone that I used to own. It's going Samsung for about 10 years now, close to 10 years. I haven't had a body glove case, so interested to see what these are like. They used to be extremely popular here in South Africa. These plastic circle dot things. I've done an entire series, by the way, on the S24 covers. So if you are looking for S24 FE, cover, make sure that you check that on the channel. Should probably make a playlist. I think it'll be the easiest way to handle that. All right, so straight out the box, it is very simple. It's very straightforward. Body glove on the base. It's not picking up fingerprint, which I'm surprised by. I guess that's that rubber grip, but it's very simple. It's hard plastic. And yeah, the camera bumps, I really wish these were a little bit more flush or circular, but leaves a bit more of a gap and some space. Let's see. Let's have a look here. So again, when you are putting your phone into a cover case, put in your volume rockers in first. Oh, that actually looks really good. It looks much better than I anticipated. It literally is like a glove, right? Like the whole idea is that this thing is like super slim and it will protect it. I don't think it's going to protect it from massive drops, to be honest, but it will protect it from scratches and smudges and so on. But it actually feels like there isn't really a cover on it. It's actually feels really nice, especially the phone is metal around the sides, that aluminum, so it takes away that coldness of the aluminum. I feel like I am holding like an older phone in a sense, which is nice because it's like more comfortable, and it rounds off the edges of the phone a little bit more. For those people that are complaining about having like really hard flush edges to a lot of these new devices, that's like brutalist design, it actually solves it. It's very comfortable to hold. Very, very comfortable. Then when I look at the camera bumps, yep, there's a little bit of a rise above. So it is raised above the camera bump. Not as much as it could be. And again, I would have had like each of these individual cameras cut inside of them. I'm not too sure why people don't do that. Like, why can't you? Is it that much extra work? I don't know. And then the buttons are clicky. Oh, taking photos. I don't think that that's the highest quality like volume rockers that I've ever seen. Actually, probably some of the worst. It works very well, but it's so simple a design. It's hard to justify. I guess, look, if it's an inexpensive case, that's like a different story. And this is something that will easy to do. I must say, it feels so good. This is one of the best feeling ones that we've had. I don't like the body glove name here. You might be able to take that off with a bit of alcohol, just wipe it off, but it's a very good quality cover. Hey, body glove, I'm very impressed. Yeah, this is the body glove Arc, and this rubber coating feels really good. I don't know how long it's going to last, to be honest, but it's not picking up fingerprints. They were talking about how comfortable the grip is, which obviously the enhanced grip, it's very comfortable, but the fact that it doesn't pick up fingerprints makes your phone look like it's a lot newer, right? Sometimes these rubber coatings come off over time, especially over like wear and tear or with different materials. Like I was saying, don't take my advice with the alcohol on this logo because it might take off the rubber coating as well. We don't know. And the base is got the like cutouts for this. Yeah, not exposing the whole bottom tray, which is really nice. And the lip extends over the screen, which is cool. Hey, body glove. Good job. Very good job. I really like this case. I wasn't expecting to, but I do. I really like it. And let's see how easy it is to get off. There we go. It's a bit harder to get off than some of the other cases. And again, I always take off the side where the buttons aren't on, so that you can lift it out. So without damaging the buttons, you've got to be super careful with that. Anyway, what do you think? Is the body glove something that you're thinking about getting? If you are, I've got some links that can help you down in the description. And if you have picked up an S24 FE case, let me know which one you have. If you haven't, I've got a whole bunch of them on my channel, videos, so you can go check them out for yourself. Oh, that was a terrible sound. Where you can tell me what you think of them. Until the next video, guys, I'll see you there. Cheers.